Today I'm at my mom and dad's, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a different shower head in with a cord that comes down and then a handheld shower that it's lower and easier for them to reach. And this is the Moen Magnetics that we're putting in, and so we're going to replace the one that's up here. And basically, it's important that when you do this, the pipe that comes out of the wall, you hold that steady. Don't put too much pressure on it. Hold it to take the pressure off, because those things can kind of break in the wall. I'll do a longer video of this and attach it. This is a suction cup I got off of Amazon type deal, and we'll adjust that in handheld shower sprayer at a height that's good for mom. Check out the other video and hit that like and subscribe button.